first few months I have been growing some succulents in my home garden. So what I thought that with that succulent, maybe we could make something interesting stuff or decorium kind of thing. So hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe this YouTube channel, and if you like this video, please make sure you share this video with your friends and family. Here whatever pot you are right now looking at, so here all are like half liters pot, and each and every pot we have filled with the required soil material what we are making for the succulent plant. So this one we are going to explain, like half liter is more than half. We have taken the regular soil, and then here is neem cake. We are taking a very tiny amount of neem cake, then half liter of coco peat, and then some broken concrete. So this one sizes are very small, so it for the mixture which will help to have a good drainage system of the soil. This one we are taking a good amount of charcoal, so this one will definitely improve a lot for the air circulation and keeping the waters for a long time. It will give more sustainability for your succulent plants. Here a very little amount of perlite. Perlite is really used for the succulents soil, and then we have the sand. It's the sea sand. This one we already washed well. This one, before this using this one, you should always keep in mind that you should wash this properly. Not only this, you should wash the charcoal and the broken concrete as well. So these are the material right now we have. So we're going to start mixing this. So let's begin with it. guys for watching this video. So we'll be back again of this update video, because the succulents are really small at this moment. So once the time it will grow a little bit more, maybe after 5 or 6 months we'll be back again to show you the best look of this one. So make sure you subscribe this YouTube channel and share this video, guys. Till then, see you next weekend. Bye bye.